In your talks, you mentioned that we should be in a state of unity and prayer. To be in a state of unity, must we always agree? For example, in a family, on a local assembly, in the community? Well, in the assembly and in the community, it's very simple. In the family, it is a little bit more complicated. But in the assembly and in the community, it's very simple. It is majority vote. If unanimous vote is not possible, we go by majority vote. When the majority vote has been clear, everybody agrees. There's no party, there's no I agree, I disagree. We all agree. That's the instruction. We don't say, well, I am in the minority, of course I don't agree. And after the assembly I go out and say, you know, there's going to be an announcement about the decision of the local assembly. Never mind, but I don't agree with it. And I said so in the local assembly. I disagree with it. This is wrong. This is totally un-Baha'i. Can't be. When a decision is taken in an assembly, finished. Whether it's local, whether it is universal, whether it is national. Finished. Everybody accepts. Everybody supports. And we don't say, I disagree, I was in the minority. I'm very sorry that this decision was taken, but believe me, I tried my best, it didn't work. This is all un-Baha'i, totally foreign to the Baha'i spirit. So when we come to administrative affairs, it's very clear. But when it comes to the family, this depends on how the husband and wife want to agree or disagree, but there should be some kind of giving up for the sake of unity. Two individuals, two different backgrounds, of course, there may be some disagreement. But to make that disagreement to change it into friction, into division, that's wrong. One of the two parties should give up. Should give up. Now, how this is going to work, I don't know. Each family has to do it on their own. Some families, I know, decide that on certain matters, the decision of, let's say, the husband will prevail. The other one will express an opinion, but they will prevail on such and such matters. On such and other matters, the woman, whatever she says, will prevail, although it will be preceded by full discussion. Now, whatever the solution is found is your decision. But our duty is amity, reconciliation, love, affection, and complete giving up for the sake of the higher good. The higher good is always harmony. We have to aim for that. And it requires a kind of nobility of character. To be noble. By that I don't mean to be a prince or something like that, or a monarch or member of the nobility of kings and aristocrats. I don't mean that. There is a nobility of character. Baha'u'llah says in the hidden words, I created thee noble. He's talking about the soul. I created thee noble. Why dost thou abase thyself? Keep your nobility. Give up when it is time to give up for the sake of unity. Be detached. Be noble. Think of the welfare of the cause. Whatever is better for the cause, accept it. And be sure that God is above us all, that He will not allow injustice to prevail. and He will interfere in our lives. And if there is any wrong done, He will make it right. Because we have done our share, He will do His share. If we are with Him, He will be with us. As the hidden words say, if we love Him, He loves us. If we don't love Him, His love will never reach us. It's clear in the hidden word. It's a quid pro quo. But then there is another tablet from Baha'u'llah in which he says that, be thou with God and you will see that He is with you. Kun ma'allah, tarallahu ma'ak. You will see. The additional element is this new statement is that He will show you a sign that He has been around. He'll show you that you can immediately see His fingerprints. You can see His footprints. You know He has come. He has interfered in our lives. And thank God that He does interfere. We have to be pure in our motives so that He will interfere. We should always be ready to invite Him to come into our lives. Not push Him away. He will come and He will show us that He has been with us, that He has helped us, that He has guided us, that He has blessed us.